For most builders and related trades, the mobile scaffold is an essential piece of equipment for working safely at heights. The Easy Access Mini Mobile has been the most popular scaffold tower for Kiwi trades for almost 2 decades. Very quick to set up with one person, the base model only consists of 4 parts. The anti-loose bracket system for clipping onto a single brace makes the Mini Mobile easy to install with one person, allowing you to safely and effortlessly work at the required height. Channel lock platforms easily slot into the crossmember. This also provides bracing for the unit, minimising parts and setup time. At just 0.7 of a metre wide, the base unit fits through standard residential doors, making it perfect for indoor tasks in any residential dwelling or commercial building. For higher reach applications, handrail packs can be added or even another complete lift, giving a maximum platform of 3.7 metres. The Mini Mobile is easily dismantled and can be flat packed when not in use, making it easy for storage and cartage. Optional adjustable casters provide 200mm of adjustment on each corner. The Mini Mobile is available in 2 lengths, 1.7 and 3 metres, giving a longer workspace and creating efficiencies. The 225 kg rated platforms mean 2 people can work from the platform at the same time. There are several attachments and additions available for the Easy Access Mini Mobile system. Bridges that span up to 6 metres between units. All-terrain packs that allow the units to be used in stairwells and on steep slopes. Corner packs that allow bridging around corners. And wide boards that create a wider working platform between 2 Mini Mobiles. Easy Access Mini Mobiles are manufactured in New Zealand and tested and certified to meet all requirements of the AS and NZ standards, ensuring your on-site compliance and safety. With all parts available individually and free on-site after-sales training, it's no wonder that this mobile scaffold continues to be a favourite for Kiwi trades.